So we're gonna have hot dogs for dinner. Let's do some serious bushcraft. And we're gonna also eat some Hormel chili. If you know anything about Hormel chili, it's like pooping your pants all night. It's just great. Love me some Hormel chili. I'm gonna put it on my hot dog. But it's really good. It's really delicious. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna cook the Hormel chili in my camping tent right here. I'm in Leadville, so I gotta sound like a hillbilly. See, camping tent real nice. Nolly, get out of there. I'm really hungry, so I'm losing it. So what you do is just pop open the Hormel chili. I don't even think this stuff dumps out. It's like basically dog food for humans. It's delicious though. See, look at that. It doesn't even come out of the can. It's when you know it's good. So with this Hormel chili, it's going to be hard to do this with 2 hands here. Maybe I'll move some stuff. No, Miro. All right, perfect. Beautiful bird's eye view right here. Just take it, scoop it out like so. Delicious. I think we'll just go with 1 can tonight. That'll be enough for sure. So with the Hormel chili, all we got to do is just stick it over a fire. Here, I'll take you with me. Turn you around. Okay, I'm getting really hungry, folks. Really gosh darn hungry. No, I have not been drinking beers. I am just hangry. It's a whole nother level. These are all organic grass-fed wieners. I mean hot dogs. There's no COVID-19 on a fire. I mean, there's no germs or viruses on a fire.
You can say COVID-19.
Nope, can't. It's controversial on YouTube.
Isn't that what you want?
Nope, your channel will get taken down. People like it, but it'll be taken down. All right, so we're trying to 2 birds with 1 stone right now. We got going a little late because we didn't sleep last night. Miro didn't feel good. So while the Hormel chili, hopefully you can see my face, it's cooking.
Is all you want is 1, babe?
Yeah, we're gonna blow up my mattress. Yeah, this thing is weird because if you don't keep blowing, it just blows the air back out. Good to go. So somehow I thought the camera was videotaping me eating. And I know how much you guys love watching me eat, so I got a little bit left here. Delicious. Was that a barking spider?
A barking spider.
Clean myself up here. So this is what Hormel chili looks like. I know it might look like dog or cat food, but it's pretty good.
I mean a chili dog sandwich.
That was probably smarter. So we're gonna finish up what's left here.
good.